I got into plants through food, and most of our food being plants. And I actually was born and raised in a vegetarian household. I got really into helping in the kitchen, cooking food, preparing food for my family. So for me, it was actually having plant scraps, which then led to compost. And all of a sudden, I had all of this beautiful black compost. And I thought, I guess I should start to grow something. We have a species that was described here in Encinitas called Bacris vanessae, and there used to be thousands of them in our area, and they've dwindled to less than 25. A couple of years ago, we did a huge effort to map and collect seed and grow out a whole bunch of those. And people, when I started doing that work, would kind of remark to me, like, why would you bother? It's just a little nondescript green thing. To my amazement, and just us doing that little bit of highlighting of that species through the work that we're doing, all of a sudden people do seem to care.